Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix green line issue on screen in Samsung Galaxy A55. If you're using Galaxy A55 and you're facing the issue that on your screen you're facing or its display, you're showing some green lines here, so you want to hide them or you want to remove them. So let's see how we can do that. So the very first thing you can try to change your display settings. So go to your settings here, and in your settings go to display. You can enable adaptive brightness, enable dark mode. If you're on dark mode, so you can switch to light mode here. But I recommend you to use dark mode here, and make sure that the eye conversion is disabled. And screen mode, you have to select natural from here. Now once you have done, you have to select the timeout, select 30 seconds, and you have to enable these toggles also. And once I've done, you can disable the side panel. And once I've done, now you have to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your phone because sometimes it might be a software glitch. But before you do that, I recommend you have to go to settings here, go to software update section, and make sure that your phone is up to date, and you have to make sure that you haven't done any pending software update here. If you might have, just download and install that on your phone. Once you've updated your phone, go back and just press and hold the volume down and your power button for almost 15 seconds there. So let's try this. You have to press and hold your volume down and your power button. The very first, you might see a black screen here, and once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo. So here's the black screen. Now you have to wait for Samsung logo here. And once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So a forced restart might take longer than usual, so it might take some time to refresh your screen. You just have to wait for a few seconds here, and then you have to retry to unlock the phone, and then you have to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to reset your phone, or you have to make a factory reset. But before you do that, I recommend you have to check if your phone was fallen, so it might be hardware damage or your screen damage, so you have to change your display or your screen. But if your phone was not damaged but you're still facing the same issues, you can go to settings here and just scroll down, go to general management, go to reset, and go to factory data reset here. Now you just have to make a factory data reset, but you have to make sure that it will completely delete anything from your phone. It will delete everything from your phone. Your phone might close your system apps, your installed app, your accounts, your data like your videos, photos, and your and media files. You have to get backup of everything and then click on this reset button, and your phone will be reset. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. And once you have resetted your phone, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so that's the only way to change your display, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.